Oh, beautiful. Cool. And then this guy shows up. And then this guy's taking pictures. How about that? Your adventure continues right away.
Yeah.
So, welcome to the introduction to the temple. On this picture, it depicts Mara with the three different gifts that you can get. So, visions of the future, earthly riches, or fountain of youth. On the wall here, starting actually everything coded by envy. It says, "Look not into the eyes of Mara, and you shall be given gifts of youth, riches, or future knowledge." Also, if you look on the floor, you'll see the three different pictures as well. Fountain of youth, visions of the future, or earthly riches.
Awesome.
And then as you enter the temple, you'll see different Maraglyphs, and Tatiana will help you get an answer for this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, welcome. Hi.
Hola.
Hello, I'm Tatiana and I'm here to give you a guided tour. Before we proceed into the next room, I have to ask you to proceed with caution, okay? We recently uncovered this room here, and this priceless artifact is very powerful. We call it the Obelisk of Doom. Be very careful, don't get too close to it. Now, since we opened the temple doors, we noticed that it actually started decaying the walls at a very rapid rate. This temple is over 2,000 years old, and up until recently was underwater. So if you guys continue ahead, now I do have to let you know we did invite an archaeologist, maybe you know who he is. His name is Dr. Henry Indiana Jones. He came to the site and is credited for helping us decipher the Maraglyphs, as we like to call them here, the letters written on the walls. Now he did get a little excited and he went into the temple on his own. That's been about 3 weeks now since we've seen him. So if you proceed, I will ask you to proceed with caution. As a reminder, this was all underwater until very recently. So this is still a very fresh excavation site. The walls are a little bit unstable. Now this here, before you proceed, I do have to let you know what the legend is of the temple, okay? This is Mara, it is a temple deity. We have determined that it is neither male nor female. Now there is a legend that says that if you look into the eyes of Mara, there is danger ahead. So a lot of people have said that they have seen and heard different things and they haven't made it out alive, or out of the temple, we should say. Now this year I was able to decode, it says, only the blind shall see. I do think that means that if you close your eyes, you may be able to receive the riches of the temple deity. The legend is that you'll be rewarded with either earthly riches, visions of the future, or fountain of youth. Now, if you proceed ahead, you're more than welcome to continue to explore on your own. For my own safety, I will stay just here. I will not go any further, but if you do see Dr. Jones, please let him know we are looking for him and we are concerned for his safety. Thank you. Okay, just give me a
Flesh, but otherwise good.